Where'd he go? Buddy, you can't do that in here. Y'all, I told y'all it was not me this whole time. Everybody think I'm the one that be going crazy.
No, you go
That's
crazy.
you. You just seen what you did. We in public.
Ain't that like that you ain't?
Yeah, that's when it's real nice. It's always real nice. You probably sprained the hip doing it.
No.
Oh boy, buddy, you look so cute though.
Huh?
You do look cute. Buddy, what are you doing?
I'm stretching my pelvis.
No, you're not. I'm recording, bro. You can't show all your moves.
Please leave me alone.
Hell, never. That's why I married you. Love you.
You gonna give me something to eat after this?
Yeah, I am.
Where'd he go? You can't touch nothing.